everyone, and welcome to the first episode of the Introduction to Biotechnology course. I'm really happy to have you here. This course assumes no prior knowledge. We'll start from scratch and build up step by step. To get the most out of the course, follow the episode's order. Now, let's dive into today's lecture. What is biotechnology? We'll explore the correct definition so you understand it, not just memorize it. By the end, you should be able to recognize whether a term is correctly used. We'll also briefly cover the history of biotechnology, going back to ancient times, and compare it with modern biotechnology, which emerged in the last 50 to 80 years. Finally, we'll explain the basis of modern biotechnology, including what you study, what you need to know, and applications. Let's begin with the question, what is biotechnology? Some people think it's just biology with a new name, but there's a clear difference. Biology is about understanding living organisms, their structure, function, and diseases. Biotechnology, however, means using a living organism or part of it for a specific purpose to create a product or solve a problem that benefits humans directly or indirectly. These three conditions must be met. Ancient biotechnology involves selecting organisms with useful traits, like cows with more milk or wheat that's easier to harvest. This was done long before genetics was understood. Modern examples include using yeast for baking, bacteria for yogurt, fungi for antibiotics, and genetic engineering for producing insulin. The Human Genome Project, gene therapy, and CRISPR are also major milestones in biotechnology. Think of biotechnology like a tree. The roots are sciences like microbiology, molecular biology, and bioinformatics. The trunk is where genetic information is processed and analyzed. The branches are the applications we'll explore in the course. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.